Have you been wondering what are the basil essential oil benefits and what are the top uses of basil oil? You may also be asking, is basil essential oil good for sleep? Can basil oil be applied directly to your skin? How do you use basil for aromatherapy? Does basil oil help with your hair? And is basil essential oil good for pain? By the end of this video, you'll know how to use basil to get the top 6 essential oil benefits, as well as the best uses of basil oil. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator and certified health coach. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Stick around to the end. I have a really great gift that you're not going to want to miss. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for over 12 years and using them with our 6 kids. I'm obsessed with helping people just like you feel great so that you can do that something special you were meant to do. We found more control over our health care and have only been to the doctor once for sick care in over 12 years. I found some of basil essential oil benefits key to helping us feel great. Let me share with you the top 6 basil essential oil benefits and then how to use them. Basil essential oil is reputed to blend well with citrusy, spicy, or floral essential oils such as bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, black pepper, ginger, fennel, geranium, and lavender. Health benefits of basil essential oil include that you can use basil for aromatherapy. Its aroma energizes and stimulates the body and mind to promote healthy mental clarity, enhance alertness, and calm the nerves to keep stress and anxious feelings at bay. Now, who doesn't need that? Basil essential oil benefits are vast. It's ideal for soothing or supporting head tension, fatigue, sadness, and respiratory discomfort, as well as for inspiring psychological endurance. Basil essential oil helps with concentration, seasonal respiratory discomfort, sinus congestion, and coughs. Basil oil benefits include helping to repel insects, to eliminate the bacteria that cause unpleasant room odors, thus effectively deodorizing stale indoor environments, including cars, as well as foul-smelling fabrics, including furniture. Now, with 6 kids, I know all about those smells. Its digestive properties also offer metabolic support as well. And used cosmetically, the basil essential oil benefits for skin include helping to refresh, nourish, and support repair of damaged and lackluster skin. It is often used to balance oil production, calm breakouts, alleviate dryness, soothe skin irritations, and other topical challenges, and to support the skin's suppleness and resilience. I know as I age, this is one of the best benefits. With regular diluted use, basil essential oil benefits the exfoliation of toning the skin, which improves dead skin and balances the skin tone to promote the complexion's natural radiance. Benefits of basil oil for your hair include contributing a light and refreshing scent to any regular shampoo or conditioner, as well as for stimulating circulation, regulating the scalp's oil production, and facilitating healthy hair growth. I know, I love that. By hydrating and cleansing the scalp, it's effectively removing any accumulation of skin, dirt, grease, environmental pollutants, and bacteria, thus soothing any itchiness and irritation. The basil oil benefits for hair helps promote the look and feel of soft and lustrous strands. Used medicinally, basil essential oil benefits help with a healthy inflammatory response to help calm skin that is afflicted with complaints, and to soothe sores as well as minor abrasions. When diluted and added to warm bath water, basil essential oil is said to soothe menstrual, joint, and muscular discomfort. You might be thinking, okay, so how do you use basil essential oil to get all these benefits? Let me share with you what we've found most helpful over the past 12 years, and I would love to hear from you in the comments. Have you used basil essential oil before? Let me know, and if you've used basil oil, what did you use it for? Number 1, for aromatherapy application that decreases stress levels, whether it's anxious feelings or feelings of unhappiness, simply use 1 to 2 drops of basil essential oil in a diffuser. This is known to improve circulation and to soothe the symptoms of respiratory discomfort. Basil oil benefits are enhanced also with 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil and or lemon essential oil that are known to share the same uplifting, energizing, and clarifying qualities while also relieving symptoms of cold and congestion. So number 2, for a naturally soothing vapor rub, basil essential oil may be diluted in 1 tablespoon of carrier oil before being massaged into the chest. Also use this combination if anyone in your family has ear discomfort. You can just put that on the back of your ears. Number 3, for a nightly distressing foot balm that helps to relax the body and mind before bed, use 1 to 2 drops of basil essential oil in a tablespoon of carrier oil and then massage it into the soles of your feet. This also soothes head tension and helps clear your mind of uncontrollable thoughts that cause sleeplessness. Number 4, to soothe and prevent blemishes and and breakouts. Begin by diluting 1 to 2 drops of basil essential oil in a small amount of a light, fast-absorbing carrier oil like almond or argan oil. Next, dip a cotton ball into the basil oil blend and then just go ahead and dab that freshly cleansed area of skin that's affected with blemishes. This simple mixture helps to cleanse the skin of external pollutants, bacteria, and excess oils, and to reduce redness. Number 5, basil essential oil benefits for hair. To cleanse the hair and eliminate excess oils on the scalp, add 1 to 2 drops of basil essential oil to a preferred shampoo, conditioner, or both. This simple solution enhances your hair's natural sheen. You can also mix basil essential oil with apple cider vinegar and baking soda to remove any buildup of excess oil or product residue and to restore the natural pH of the scalp. After this last tip, which is my favorite way to use basil, I'll be sharing with you my essential oil guidebook that you can take and download with my favorite uses for all of my top essential oils. So number 6, to soothe sore and aching muscles, swelling, and tightness. Dilute 2 to 3 drops of basil essential oil in a carrier oil, then massage it into that area. You can also use this basil oil blend with Epsom salts before being added to a warm bath. To enhance basil oil benefits, you can also combine it with other essential oils that are known for relaxation, such as lavender essential oil. A basil oil enriched bath has the added benefit of boosting digestive function and also alleviating pain, and it's one of my favorite ways to use basil essential oil. So those are my favorite basil essential oil benefits and top uses for basil oil. If I missed something or you have a question, please let me know in the comments. As promised, here's how you can get my free essential oil guidebook with my top uses for all of my favorite essential oils. You'll find the link down in the description. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like this video on basil essential oil benefits, I know you'll love my top 10 essential oil playlist. You can click the link in the cards or down in the description.